Does Commerce City have an image problem? Does Commerce City have an image problem?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. That's about the toughest one-word question there, but yes. And how?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
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 Yes.